Poverty-stricken Yemen has been devastated by war amid relentless bombings. Many parents here cannot afford to even feed their kids. 7 million young lack food. 2 million, like 14-month-old Samir, are severely malnourished. Samir's home, a dusty village in Mahra, South Yemen, where his family lives in a mud hut. We found him at the embattled Ibn Khaldun hospital. Samir's health is now improving, the family say, but only slowly. For 6 months, NBC News documented the lives of children in depleted hospitals across war-torn Yemen, finding few doctors and not enough medicine.
There are children that live in remote areas that we couldn't reach, and those are the children who die every day because we don't have access to these areas, and children there contract cholera.
This is Sabine Hospital in the capital, Sana'a, a centre for malnutrition, the main killer of children under 5 here. It is overrun and overwhelmed by young patients. Scales not needed to know 2-year-old Neda is starving and sick. Shortly after these pictures were taken, she died. The hospital simply didn't have the medicine to treat her. I tried to make her drink all night, her mom says, in tears. Neda's family carry her from the hospital bed to a tiny grave. 3 million children have been born since the war began. Countless have died from its ravages. Half those who survive the fighting are stunted by hunger, their futures stolen by war. Keir Simmons, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.